Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a workflow in Slack. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to app.slack.com and log in to your Slack account. Now, on the main dashboard, we're going to set your focus on the left panel until you see this plus icon right here which says Create New. After clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear when you can create either a message, a channel, a new huddle, a new canvas or a new list, or row, or a new workflow. So click on the workflow. After that, give Slack a few moments, and as you can see, you now have an entitled workflow. Now, you can edit the name right here by clicking on it, workspace, and add a description, everyday task. It's up to you, and click on save. After that, you can choose an event on how to start the workflow, and then you can add numerous steps from here. As you can see, these are all the options that you can use. You can use this, yeah, and then we're gonna add some steps. Click on setup. After that, simply click on finish up. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!